you, let me show you. Look.
Hello, viewers. Welcome to our channel, The Forex Trends. And I hope you all are doing well. I'm also good. So, today in this video, I'm going to analyze gold, that is XauUsd, and I will explain you how to find the potential trade setups for today as well as tomorrow, as well as next week. So, before I start today's analysis, let's preview the yesterday's CPI data, and after that I will discuss about the today's PPI data. Today is also a big news, that is PPI data of USA, and it has the ability to provide the crazy volatility in the market. So all right, let's take a look at the fundamental before jump into the chart of gold. Okay, let me show you the economic calendar first. As you can see, yesterday the US CPI data was released. Sorry. We saw that CPI year over year has decreased to 3.0%, which is the lower than the forecast, that is 3.1%. So this data will give the Fed good confidence that inflation is cooling and stabilizing. So based on this, one rate cut this year is certain. However, if we see that the US labor market continues to weaken, we may be it may be possible that there could be two rate cuts in this year. So in my opinion, we can now see a clear bearish trend in the DXY, that is dollar index. So from now to onwards, we should look for trade setups in USD currency pairs according to this current sentiment. And there is another hot news circulating in the market from yesterday, that the Bank of Japan may have intervened in the Forex market. According to the current USD JPY chart, if you have seen the JPY USD JPY chart, you can understand. So if this is true, we may see significant selling in USD JPY for the long term. So my dear viewers, do not trade against the sentiment, always trade in the direction of market. If I check today's economic calendar, you can see today has also big newses, that is core PPI and PPI month over month, and it is scheduled at 6 p.m. IST. And producer price index, that is PPI, reflect changes in the selling price received by domestic producer of goods and service in the specified month. So PPI shows price changes from the manufacturer perspectives. Okay. So this is also represent the inflation level of the country. So we need to focus on this today. As you can see, it forecasted PPI month over month forecasted better than the previous. So it may possible we may see a negative data once again today. If it come negative today, we may see a good rally once again in gold towards bullish side. So let's see what will happen. And as we do not trade during the news. After news, we may initiate trade. So let's see the chart and try to find the potential trade setups for today. In daily frame, I have one thing to tell you guys. We know the gold market is clearly bullish, but there is a good weakness also in the market. And recently it creates a pattern like this. That means it is a triple top pattern. If it able to create this triple top pattern and come down, we may see a bearish trend. Otherwise, if it able to break this resistance zone at any situation, we will see a good bullishness in the gold market again. So for swing trades, and I am also wait for the breakout of this top resistance. If it able to break with momentum candles, this resistance, I will initiate buy for long term here. Okay, and there will be a good chance for we traders to buy in gold. Okay, if it reject and come down, then we will analyze once again and try to find the setups. Okay, so let's shift in the 4-hour frame once again. In 4-hour frame, there is a clear bullish trend. If I mark the structure, you can see the market is creating higher high, higher lows continuously. Look, higher high, higher lows. So as per this market structure, we have the breakout structure at this level. It is our breakout structure last. So as you know, whenever market create breakout structure, I already discussed these things on my previous videos. If you have the knowledge of advanced market structure, you know the two positions to join this current bullish trend. It is our first position and it is our second point of interest to join this current structure. So for intraday purpose, if we get the price at this level, that is 2390 to 2394, and there is also a good fair value gap, we may initiate a buy from here. Okay, it is our first break of structure and fair value gap also here. And if I plot the Fibonacci for the last swing, you can see the 50% retracement level is there, that is 2387.58. Let me zoom. And at this level, we have a good order block also. This is a good order block. Okay. So if market come to this zone, that is 2394 zone, we may initiate a buy from here today. And if this support do not able to hold and price break this support, we may initiate another buy from here also. So these two buy setups for today, and this zone is too far from the current price, so there is not possible, may not possible price reach approach this zone today. We'll see for this zone in next week. So these two trade setup for intraday in 4-hour frame. Let's shift. One thing more in this 4-hour chart, we have still a pending retracement at this zone. Market has not retraced at this zone after this impulsive move. So as per advanced market structure, market has to retrace after impulsive move at the below support and demand zones. So this is our pending retracement. So in near future, we may see market retrace up to this level again, and after that, it will go up and create another higher high. So mind this thing also. So let's shift into the 1 hour frame. Let me delete the structure of 4 hour frame first. Okay. So in 1 hour frame, we have break of structure right here. Okay. If I mark the structure from here like this, it is a break of structure. And on this break of structure, we have a demand also, and it is a good order block. Since it is a good order block, I am very confident for this level. If price approach to this level, we may see a good bullishness from this level. And this is the 2378 to 83 level. Find this thing, 2378 to 83 level. And if we get the price at this zone, we may initiate a buy from here. For intraday scalping purpose, if you get the price at 2420 level, once again, that means 2418 to 20 level before today's news and New York session like this, you may initiate a sell from here once again for scalping oblique intraday purpose. Okay. So this is a scalping trade for today, and this is a intraday trade, or it may be a position trade for 2 to 3 days. And it is also a good buy as per 4-hour structure. So that's all trade setup for gold in today. So all right, that wraps up today's analysis of gold. So if you really feel it is informative and helpful for your trading, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. By subscribing, you will stay updated with our latest content, tips, and strategies that help you trade smarter and more profitably. So, my dear viewers, thanks for watching and stay tuned to our channel for more videos like this. We look forward to seeing you in the next weekly analysis video. Until then, trade smartly, trade safely. Bye bye.